Welcome to ABC Twist. A short clip of A plus a short clip of B equals C, completed by imagination. When a cat meets a smartphone, you get a selfie-loving kitty. When a teapot meets a pair of glasses, a philosopher is born. ABC Twist is a playground of imagination, humor, surprise, and creativity, where your laughter neurons come alive. In just one glance, you'll go, "Wait, I did not see that coming." Unexpected, witty, and full of twists. Let's play and imagine together. Two things enter. One imagination explodes. Guess what happens when A meets B? Are you ready? Buckle up. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Did you enjoy this ABC twist of imagination? Every story here spins creativity, humor, and surprise, made just for you. The next episode of ABC Twist will bring another fresh, funny, and mind-bending idea you've never seen before. So don't miss it. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and get ready to twist your imagination again. See you next time. Bye!